Hello everyone, my name is Aavya Saxena and I have been learning music since I was 3. I have participated in a lot of music singing reality shows like Saregamapa, Tare Zameen Par, Star Plus. And I was keenly interested in music production, so me and my mom started searching some courses and then we came across Beatpro. And I thoroughly went through the website of Beatpro and I was so interested in the courses that I could see. So I contacted Mickey sir, who was my mentor later, and he taught me a lot about Logic Pro and some important plugins we find in Logic Pro and mixing and mastering and everything. And after that, he even helped me to get some very important plugins related to music production, which was really helpful. And I'm really thankful to Mickey sir and Beatpro for helping me so much with music production.